So in this video I am going to show you how to add the dependencies of Selenium. Go to mavan repository and type the Selenium. So the first one is Selenium Java. Select it. Select the latest version. Click over here and copy and paste in the dependencies. In between dependencies, we are going to add the dependency. Presently, I had already added the two dependencies. One is servlet, another one is MySQL connector. Instead of using jar, connector jar, I am using as a dependency. Now I am going to add the third one. It is a Selenium. Similarly, if you want to use offline resources, you can install the libraries of Selenium and you can add over under the sources resources. So instead of adding manual software, I am directly downloading using the dependency. I am using the online resources. Now the second one we have to add is WebDriver Manager. Don't give any spaces in between WebDriver Manager. Select the first one. Select the latest version. Copy. So while pasting also, give gap between some dependencies. Okay. If you paste in between these two lines means this dependency don't work, the paste dependency also don't work, and the whole project will also may not work. So you have to paste such a way that there should be understanding. There should be gap between them to understand it. If you remove the gap, remove the space between the lines also, no problem. But if you are by mistakenly pasting in between this dependency means you are going to get errors. Why? Because if you paste like this, see, in between after opening there should be a close tag, but you are pasted here, so that's why you are getting error. So while pasting also, paste one after the another dependency. Okay. After that, you have to select you have to type the third one, test.ng. Type test.ng. Select the latest version. Copy it. Paste the dependency of test.ng. Save all. And right click on the project. Select the properties. Go to the Java build path. Select the mavan dependency. Add the library. Okay. Select mavan dependency. Add library. So if you don't found test.ng here means we have not installed test.ng still now in our Eclipse ID. So before this, go to the help, go to Eclipse Marketplace, in the file type test.ng. It is similar to Play Store. In Play Store we are going to type the apps we want which are already available in the market, and if after typing we will search it, we will found and we will press the install button. Similarly here also we are going to type the test engine library. You may got doubt, we have already taken as a dependency. But why we need to add the test engine library manually means to perform the unit test cases in the Eclipse IDE itself. You should definitely download. You should add the resources of test engine to our project. Okay. If you are performing the direct system testing like mavan test, there is no need to add the test engine library. So I am installing the test engine. So install. So we are going to get only two conditions. First one is it will give the license agreement. We have to accept it, and we will give some resources. Select the resources what you want to download. Select all. Don't check anything. Press select all, and it will get these are either these are trusted or will give press selected. Similarly, it will give once again like that. We have to select all, press selected again. Then it will be finishing the installation. See, the licenses came. I accept the terms of license agreement. Finish. After this, we are going to get the resources of test engine. We have to select. So then it is slow here. If it is already installed in our system, we are now going to install it again. If it is not available, we have to follow this process. So if you have installed in our Eclipse IDE once means it can be used for any n number of projects. Still it is loading. Okay, it has came. Select all, press selected. Select all, press selected. So after installing, it will ask to restart the Eclipse IDE. Press restart now. So this is the procedure of adding the dependencies and adding the test engine library to our project. To perform the unit test cases or to perform the system testing, we have to follow this procedure. In the later videos, I am going to explain how to perform the test cases